How to delete all Facebook friends at once with just only one click. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So I think you already know that there are so many apps that claim that they can clear all your Facebook friends, but I do not recommend you those because they need your login data and they could hack your account, so be aware of that. So let's show you a simpler way and the safest way. So from here, from your profile, from your page, we just have to click to friends, which is next to home, and then click on all friends. And then from here, if we want to unfriend a person, we have to click on those three dots from the right of the page and then click on unfriend. So this is the easiest way. Facebook doesn't provide you a button that can clear all your Facebook friends at once, unfortunately. So anyway, it's really simple to unfriend all of your friends. You just have to click on the unfriend button and that's it. It's really simple. It takes you like a couple of seconds or less. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.